Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own custom face and apply it to a character in Roblox Studio. Fast and easy. First, open any photo editing app. You can use Photoshop, but today I'm using GIMP since it's free. Create a new image with a size of 420 by 420 pixels. Now draw a simple face, just 2 circle eyes and a mouth. Keep it clean and centered. Once you're done, export it as a PNG file. Now head over to Roblox Studio. Open the Asset Manager. Click the Import button and upload your PNG face image. Wait a moment for it to finish uploading. Next, go to the Avatar tab at the top. Click on Rig Builder and choose any character. I'll use R15. Now here's the easy part. Simply drag your uploaded face image from the Asset Manager directly onto the character's face. If the old face is still there, expand the character in Explorer. Find the face decal inside the head and delete it. And that's it. Your custom face is now applied. Super quick, right? If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox Studio tips.